The path mate is very handy when you want to move a part through a specific path or sketch on another part. The most common method would be to draw a sketch defining what your path is going to be, and then add a point to another part that will be used to drag along that path. To get started, I'll just point out a couple of the items we have set up already here. First things first, what I want to do is I want to create a mate between the bottom of this part here and the top of this part here. Now this part has the ability to move around anywhere on that top surface. What I have drawn on the top here is a sketch, just a spline. So if I open up that part, I can take a look at the sketch and just a standard sketch spline on that top surface. Go ahead and exit out and jump back over to the assembly. Go ahead and rebuild. Now this part here, what I need to do is have some type of a point that will be on the bottom of the part that I can link to that path. So if I open up this part here, what I did is I created a point at the very bottom of the part just by creating a sketch and a point. Now I'm ready to go ahead and create the path mate. And I want to make sure over here I'm clicking and viewing, make sure I'm seeing points so I can place those two together. Now I'm going to go up to mate, and it's under advanced mates. So go ahead and choose the path mate from there. And my component vertex is that little point that I just defined. Go ahead and choose that. And then my path selection is going to be that sketch that I predefined. Click on that, and notice the two things come together. Click OK, and now we have the path mate fully defined. Click OK again. You can see now I have this part who's stuck to the top of this other part, and it's defined by this path here. Now, what I like to do is actually hide that point. So I'm going to go down here to point and turn that off so I can easily grab the part, and I can see that I can slide that part along that path. Very handy for moving things around or figuring out how parts we're going to be moving in an assembly. The path mate provides a nice way to move parts along a fixed length and path. With a little preparation, the path mate can provide some very handy advanced motion for your assemblies.